Hello, second grade. Today we are going to be starting a new chapter. We are going to be looking at chapter 6, and we're actually going to skip lesson 1, okay? So I need you to go ahead and turn to it's lesson 2, and it's page 3. We're going to go to 358, actually. So we're on page 358. It's chapter 6, lesson 2. And our lesson is we are starting a new skill, which is adding 3 digits. We've already learned how to add 1 digit. We've learned how to add 2 digits. And now we're going to learn how to add 3 digits. And we start pretty simple on this lesson, okay? So you guys should go through it pretty quickly. All right, so you can use addition facts that you already know to add hundreds. Here's a helpful hint. So if you know that 3 plus 4 equals 7, then you know that 300 plus 400 equals 700. Okay, so they're just showing you again, 300, so 3 of our base 10 blocks plus our base 100 blocks plus 4 of them equals 700. So that's what we are going to be working through today. Grab my pen. All right, so let's look at number 1. If we look at 600 plus 100, if we know the fact 6 plus 1 equals 7, then we know that 600 plus 100 equals 700. For number 2, if we know that 3 plus 3 is 6, then we know that 300 plus 300 equals 600. Let's look at number 3. If you know the fact 2 plus 3 equals 5, then you know that 200 plus 300 equals 500. We're just adding the 2 zeros onto them. Number 4 is 700 plus 200. So we're going to do 7 plus 2, which is 9, and add our 2 zeros. So the answer is 900. Number 5. 400 plus 200. Our fact is 4 plus 2, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. We add our 2 zeros, and then we know that 400 plus 200 equals 600. Number 6, 8 plus 1 equals 9. We add our 2 zeros, and we know that 800 plus 100 equals 900. Number 7, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Add our 2 zeros, and our answer is 300. Number 8, 1 plus 3 is 4. Add our 2 zeros, and then we know 100 plus 300 equals 400. Number 9, 5 plus 2 is 7. Add our 2 zeros, and we know that 500 plus 200 equals 700. So if you know your simple addition facts, then you will easily be able to do your independent practice on your own. Okay, let's look at talk math first before we go there. What addition fact can help you find 600 plus 100? Well, the addition fact that would help us is 6 plus 1. And it helps us because if we know 6 plus 1, then we know that our answer is going to be 7 and add the 2 zeros. So it'll be 700. When you're ready, you can go ahead to go look at the independent practice. Okay, so you will be off to do this page on your own. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and have you go to the next page so we can go through some of the word problems together. And then you can come back and finish this on your own. All right, 26. Ava counts. So please turn to page 360. We're going to do our word problems together, our problem solving, number 26. Ava counts 100 cars in a parking lot. She counts 200 cars in another parking lot. How many cars did she count in all? Ding, ding, ding. In all tells us that we are going to add those two numbers. So we're going to do 200 plus 100. We know our fact, 2 plus 1 is 3. Add our 2 zeros. So how many cars in all? 300 cars. I want you to do number 27 on your own. We're going to work through the brain builder together, and you'll be doing number 29 on your own. We're going to do 28 together. Jan delivers 700 newspapers on Friday. She delivers 400 newspapers on Sunday. Did Jan deliver more than 1,000 newspapers? Explain. So first we have to add up to see how many she delivered total. So we're going to take 700 plus 400. And if we know the fact, 7 plus 4, which equals 11, then we add our 2 zeros. So did she deliver more than 1,000 newspapers? Yes. She delivered, sorry about my handwriting, 1,100 newspapers. And we know that because we added 700 plus 400. All right, second grade, you are going to be on your own to do page 359, your independent practice on your own. You're going to be on your own to do word problems 27 and 29, and you're going to be on your own to do your homework. If you have any questions, you can send your teacher a message and let her know. Have a good day.